Okay, so let us learn working of nervous system and the flow of it, how the sequences of action will take place. So what will happen? Sense organs first will get affected. In the very first stage, this will happen. When this will happen, the next stage will be the generation of electrical impulses as messages, which will be given to the brain. And which neuron is working in between these two sections? It is sensory neuron. After this message, the brain will analyze, it will decide the action, and as per the action decided by the brain, it will send a message to the muscles and with the concerned muscle of the concerned body part which has to take the action. Can you tell me which neuron will come into picture at this stage? It's motor neuron. So I will write sensory neuron and motor neuron, both are involved in this complete flow of the working of nervous system. Now you should understand when we'll have thinking involved. In that case, brain will come into picture. Otherwise, that is brain plus spinal cord will work together, and this is called complex nervous system. But in the case when only thinking is not involved, we just have to act without thinking. For example, reflex action, sneezing, thinking is not involved. So in that case, only spinal cord come into picture. Okay. So these are the two forms. Now let us classify nervous system in broad categories. Nervous system is classified into central nervous system and peripheral nervous system. In peripheral nervous system, again the classification is autonomic nervous system and voluntary nervous system. Now we will understand the theory behind each one of it and how these nervous system will be different from each other. So basically we are going to understand the point of differences between each plus their corresponding details. This much is today's work. So if you have understood, you can note down.